guys, ayan, naggupit ako ng aking buhok, nagtrim ako. Ayan ako na mismo naggupit sa aking hair. Konting iksi lang naman, tinirim ko lang to yung dulo. And then, maglagay tayo ng coconut oil. Ito ay anuhan ng niyog. Yung sakan, nagbiko kasi kami. Ayan. Ngayon, yung anuhan, ayan o. Para maganda ang buhok. Ayan o. Maya-maya, paliguan to. Ganyan lang guys, oh. Para shiny ang buhok. Kasi minsan namamatay na ang ating hair. Diba? Kaya, pretty.
Hello, you're late. You're the fashion late. Better take this seriously, Miss Hurley. It's you against the NYPD. Better take this seriously, Arthur. It's a fender bender. You have 4 minutes.
Ang dami niya, oh
Hold
guys.
on, I gotta take this. 4 minutes. We'll take 1, and then we'll have 3.
Natural oil from coconut.
Oh, hi, great. Listen, I need to call you back in an hour.
No, I can't wait, Nicole. I'm already in trouble with this shit.
What? Janine, well, I'm kind of in some hot water myself over here.
Dunkin' Donuts, Sunset Park under the BQE. I'm an hour.
Hindi ko tsarahin.
500. I'm selling it to somebody else.
No, Jimmy, wait.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, no, I have to make one more phone call.
Nicole.
Arthur, just go on in. I promise, I will be right behind you.
When the judge calls your case, you better be sitting right next to me. And your client where?
Kulay itim na siya
Well,
guys.
she
Oh.
was here, Your Honor,
Ayan.
and I think she deserves points for that.
Diba oh?
And I'm
Pretty
quite
oh.
sure she'll be coming through that door in a second.
Para mabuhay naman kasi medyo namamatay na siya eh.
Any second. Rather than keep us waiting, if we could set another appearance date.
Counsel, your client's bail is revoked. A bench warrant is hereby ordered by this court. Next case.
Ayan. Try nyo rin guys ang coconut oil. Talaga namang pag busa kayo ng niyog, ito ang kalalabasan. Antika niya mismo. Kahit siya ay can lang. Pero pretty siya guys. Mabubuhay muli yung buhok nyo. Yung iba mayonnaise guys eh. Ayan. Nag-trim lang ako ng konti.
God damn it! I mean, how many retainers do I have to buy?
Nag-trim lang ako. Sobrang haba kasi ng hair ko. Yung dulo, ititrim nyo guys. Dulo nito. Ang natrim ko sa kanya ay marami rin. Ayan oh. Yan ang naputol ko. Titrim ko. Kasi parang dry na siya guys eh. Oh. Pwede nyo natanggalin. Para yung matitira, maganda siya.
Hey, princess. You're drooling on my sofa.
Diba
You have an
pretty oh.
apartment, don't you? Is it better sometimes? Teresa should be
Kasi yung dulo niya.
I suppose you want to get paid. Yeah.
Yan oh.
So I said to her, they're my kids. If anyone's going to take them camping, I am.
Yan. Hindi ako nakoy ng tip. Coconut oil.
Got any plans for the long weekend? The usual. What?
Pretty. Once a month.
Fist for a while?
It's pretty guys.
I understand 4th of July and all. Don't worry about it. I'll get somebody else.
Yeah.
Somebody else for what? An open bond just came in.
Okay, Wilma's live.
A lot more fun. Don't worry about it. I'll find somebody else.
Thank you. Hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga video. Wilma's live.
My point is,
Thank
I don't know if you're the
you.
right person for the job.